Good afternoon, everyone. It is May 14th here at KIT Iizuka for class number 5, fourth period for English 7D. Let's take a look at what we're doing this week. Let's see here. First, our warming up will not be Quizlet. We haven't done this in a while, but we're going to be doing some shadowing with this article called Animal Rights. We'll read that over, and then we'll do a little bit of shadowing before we get on to the real work. Okay, this week for your work at home, you have a reading quiz, and this reading quiz will be basically 15 minutes, and let me show you just the inside of it. Okay, oh, sorry, yeah, I got to explain. For the reading quiz, what I want you to do is go to the textbook, page 53 to 54. There's a reading section in there in the textbook. I think it's in gray. It's in a gray color. And it's in our textbook. So read that. And then you can keep that open while you do the test. So you have that on your desk. Then you open the test here. And then you'll have 15 minutes to answer 5 questions. I believe it's 5 questions. Yeah, 5 questions. So it's 15 minutes. You have to answer these 5 questions. You can keep the reading open on your desk, but it's not a very long time, so you don't have a long time to look for the answer if you don't already know it. In any case, like all of my quizzes, you can take that up to 3 times to get your best score. As usual, you have a reflection on this video about the growth mindset, but how it is that you think about yourself and how it is that you think that you can become better or stronger in the things that you do. Watch the video, write your answer down on a piece of paper, take a picture of that, upload that to Moodle, and you're done. So basically you have just the reading quiz this week and that reflection that we were talking about. Okay, if you haven't done so yet, open up shadowing either on your computer or on your phone. Probably for shadowing, it's going to be a lot easier to read this if you can get it in big print on your computer. So I suggest opening it on your computer. But it's up to you. You can use it on your phone too. And while I was speaking, everybody in class was actually downloading the software that's here in software downloads called Counter. Now, either one of these will go to a different link depending on what kind of smartphone that you have, but that's something that we did while I was making this video. Okay, if you ever have any questions, remember that you can always contact me using this email here, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come and talk to me in class. Thanks very much, everyone.